folks. In a previous video, you seen me weld up the, I'm making small little videos. I'm going to make one big video, but you know what? Make a bunch of small ones. I don't feel like doing a long one. I'll do the painting one after. What I did is I welded cast iron, but hey, apparently you can weld on it. Just welding cracks with a MIG welder is not the thing to do. So bear with me, okay? Here, look at me. Look at this. See this spot right here? Well, I welded it, and now I'm going to file it down. Why? Because it's too high. Got a few bastards here, and bastard files, I should say. And basically, I'm going to... Should I do one stroke this way and that way? I don't know. Does it matter? Not really sure. But I'm going to take this off. And I've seen this done several places. It's getting there. With all the amount of power tools I have, I probably should tear this down with a flap disc. But you know what? I don't want to flap disc the rest of this thing accidentally. So sometimes I just want a nice clean. I'll probably flap this side just for the fun of it. But as you can see, it's getting there. It's only a small weld. See, I'm hitting this part too. I don't want to. I know, even I'm sloppy with a file. Why did I weld it? Well, first of all, if it breaks off, who cares? It's already busted. I don't think it's going to break off because I'm putting jaws in here, and hopefully nobody in the next 100 years hits that part. Yeah, right. People use these things like freaking anvils. I don't know why they put an anvil on a small pipe. Like, what are you expecting? Cast iron anvil. Isn't cast iron brittle? I don't know. I would assume those other anvils that are forged steel, they have a little more pling to it. That's why you wouldn't make a cast iron anvil. It's like making an anvil out of rubber, I guess. I don't know. Not rubber. Making it out of hard taffy. You can bend hard taffy, but if you hit it with something, it just shatters. So anyway, let's see. It's getting there. Coming down. See this. Yeah, it's getting there. Is it going to be perfect? I'm not shooting for perfection. I just want it to look... and somebody online, see the little patina of the cast iron? They dinged it with something and made it look really cool. I'm probably going to go in the Vise collectors group, and there's people always posting stuff in there, and ask somebody in there who's done a weld on a filler on these things, how they got the little patina. I think just bang with a hammer would probably work. See, I should have filled in right there. Yeah, I'm going to go back and forth. Back and forth, back and forth, make fun of me. I don't care. So what, a Mastercraft file? I really don't think it matters. It's like a bad Metallica song. Nothing else matters. No, I shouldn't say that because I'll get copyright infringement for saying the word. Maybe I should use a flap disc. Do I need this much exercise? No. Like this is exercise. I don't know, sometimes it's just nice to do things by hand. I always say that. And then I turn off the camera and break out the flap disc in. Alright, let's see. It's kind of filled in. Now if I can. If I can get it down to a reasonable height. Good part is if I paint it, nobody's gonna notice it. So, do I want to like hide the repair? No, I just want to keep it so it looks a little better. So, you know what? I'll file this off here. I should flump a disc that one too. Flump a disc it. See this? It's a little... Is it high? I don't know. No, it's in there. I just didn't want a crack in there. Am I getting it down to where it should be? Who knows? Will it stay? Who knows either. See. There we go. See, now I got a little nap in there. I should have welded it back just a little more, because you can see right there where there's a little. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna have to flump this part. There we go. Because I got brass jaws here, and so whatever, repair there. Or I'm gonna hit it with a weld here, a little weld here. Was it perfect? No, it wasn't perfect. I'll just hit it there. Now, see, you might say it's not a strong weld, but let's see if I can bang it off with a hammer, just to prove my point. Will it break? See? So it is firmly attached. It is decent. I think it deserves a little bit of a splotch there, a couple little splotches there. But hey, what the hell did I just break? I broke something that was already broke. So anyway, I don't know what time it is, but that's what I'm doing tonight. I'll probably just file this. I'll get the little angle. I'll get a mini angle grinder and just zip it off. So yeah, that's what I did. The Wilton vise is coming along. I'm going to polish this up next. So stay tuned. I don't know. I don't know if my videos are boring or not. If they are, leave comments, because I know some things are boring, some things are not. Where'd I get this from? I got this vise in Vermont, and it was completely seized. In fact, you know what? Let me get a grinder. See if I can slop this off real quick. See, that's that part there. See what I don't know if you can. I got a freaking beetle on me. Where's the little pen? The little pointy thing. If you look right here, see, I missed right here. So I'm probably going to grind this down anyway, and I'll do another weld right here, another weld right here, and then I'll give this, I'll smooth it out or something. But there's welding spatter everywhere. So yeah, no point in really doing this on camera right now. But tomorrow night or night after, I will. Oh, let me lop this off real quick. Hold on a second. Am I recording? I got mini Rolox. Little itty bitty ones. Are they any good? I have no idea. I bought them on Amazon. They probably suck. So I'm gonna go like this. Of course, all you hear is a frickin' thing. Anyway, folks, I don't know if you could see this, but let me lower this thing. Hold on. Let me lower this. Cut it out here. We can edit this out after. We lower. Come on, tighten up, tighten up. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. I don't know if you can see this, but I turned the compressor off, but if you can see this really close, if I like paint this, you would never notice that. It's actually blends in quite well. And if you take a large thing like this and go, it kind of like, I'm gonna zap it right here, zap it along here, and I'll zap it under here with the welder again. And I'm gonna make this look like everything else. Not bad, actually. I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed. I did not expect it when I see, because what I did is I used oil everywhere. Spilling oil. I used a very tiny 1-inch, very cheap oil on my finger. Yucks. Oh, I just fucked that up. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Bleep. I just screwed this up, but I used a 1-inch miniature flap disc, which apparently is not bad unless you accidentally oiled the damn thing with your finger. I don't think it's that great, but it did the job. So I think I might order some more of these 1-inch flappers. They don't have really a big lifespan, but hey, that was pretty cool. It did a job and got really close, and I somehow splattered oil over it. So anyway, let me turn this off. Anyway, if you're watching my channel, my goofy channel, I do all kinds of stuff. Stay tuned. I'm going to do some more welding on this. I'm going to clean it all up. I'm going to work on the jaws. I'm putting brass jaws on it. Not sure how they'd look, but this is the jaws I'm using. Will I get them lined up? I have no idea. The holes are threaded. How you line it all up, I don't know. I'm learning. Did a few other things tonight. I wanted to weld. It was nice out. I got to weld. I'm going to probably put the little slide back in, the key to hold it in place. I'm going to work on probably in the next couple of nights, the, what do you call it, the handle. I don't know if this is the strongest steel, but I bought some strong steel. I'm not really sure what to do with this. I might just put a chamfer, a small little chamfer on it. I don't have the capability right now to round it out, other than putting it on a what do you call it, grinder. I could put it on my grinder and then I'd have to make some tool to stick it in there to round it off, and then put it on another tool and then round it off again. Not sure. Tool could be this. That way I can wreck it. But so far this, I need to make another one of these things, because I left a little bit on there so I can peen it with a hammer. Ever done that before? No. But I'll figure it out. I guess you gotta do. If I round it off, it'd be easier to just go around it and peen it. Do I heat it up? I'm assuming heating a hardened steel rod that would probably screw up the rod. I don't know. I might just, I don't know, beat the hell out of it with a hammer and then, I don't know, maybe put some Loctite on or something. Who knows? I'll do something. But it's roughly the same size as the original. You ever see the original one's this big? This is the original one. I think the original one actually almost, yeah, the original one fits on there. So it's the donut. I made it extra big because I want the little donut a little extra longer, but I could make it this wide. The original one's got, see, it doesn't go all the way around, so I could put it on something and just, I could, I don't know, maybe clamp it and just around it that way. But I want to make it so it's, because it's very easy to use what do you call it, a grinder, and just make it all lopsided. So I may try to make a little thing on the grinder to, I don't know, I gotta figure out how to grind this thing. I gotta figure out how to grind it. I have to figure out how to grind this thing so it's equally back and forth. I'm sure there's a method out there that somebody uses, because I know like people grind knife blades. And I'll probably mark it on the side how far I want it. So I'll basically mark it down and whatever. Anyway, blah blah blah. You'll see it on what do you call it, my video soon. Why do I make videos? Because I feel like it. Plus, I actually get some good comments. There's some really awesome people that watch my videos. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks for watching.